to fix Steam not opening. First, if you're having any kinds of problem while opening your Steam application, what you want to do is you want to simply restart your PC. Once tap on the start over here and you'd be able to find an option called restart over here. You want to simply restart your PC over here, and once that has been done, what you want to do is you want to simply check whether the Steam application is already running on the background or not. If it is already running on the background over here on the taskbar, you want to simply right click on the application, tap on close window, and by doing so you want to simply open the Steam application again. And if that doesn't work as well, what you want to do is you want to simply check for internet connection. You can simply tap on Wi-Fi over here, and if you have any kinds of issues regarding your Wi-Fi, you'd be able to check it out over here. You want to simply switch networks as well, and once you have done so and have a stable network, you want to simply open your Steam application again, and you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem while logging into the application the next time. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.